everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Good gracious, guys, we are in for something big today. We are over here at Future Homes in Ocean Isle, North Carolina. We're going to be going through their Carolina Farmhouse model out here. Is it not just beautiful? From the cedar shake to the vertical siding. Of course, that wraparound porch is just going to stop and grab you, but you've also got some dormers over here on the side. Got a double dormer, shed style dormer there. This front porch is optional, so obviously you don't have to have a porch quite this large. It could be bigger, it could be all the way around, but it is built on site, so we're going to have those discussions. But is this not just beautiful? I love everything about this. So let's get in and take a look. Got that wraparound porch, 6 feet in depth, going all the way across the front and then tying in to a sliding glass door, which is off of the dining space. All right, you saw the vertical siding up top and whatnot. You could do the vertical in spots and do horizontal on the rest to save cost, and we'll get into all that stuff. But I love the glass front door there. Natural light is the best. This is the Carolina Farmhouse. In total here, you've got about 1,800 square feet. 1,200 on the bottom, and then about 500 and some change up top. Notice the 9-foot ceilings, the beautiful coffer over the island there, which is really going to dress up an area when you do that. A triple window, or 3 single windows, but 3 in a row with 2 windows over there, 4 can lights. I mean, this thing is lit up. So much natural light. Just love it. Notice the different style casings around your doors and windows. A little bit different there than what I've typically showing you. Take all that in, guys. I mean, that is just, again, I mean, 1,200 square feet on the bottom, but I mean, if I didn't know that, I would think this was 2,000 square feet on the bottom. That sliding door is optional off of that dining space there. It would just be a window traditionally. Those are our included pendant lights, included chandeliers. White is one of our included cabinet colors. Probably our best seller by far. Check out this island is like, what is that, 10 feet? I mean, gosh, we do a lot of accent islands, whether it be blue, black. As you can see, they did white with a darker island. Yes, there are outlets, guys. They are undermounted. So anytime we do a backsplash like this, we like to go ahead and undermount those with the outlets as well. The under cabinet lighting is just a different topic in general, but main thing I want you to know is if you do a backsplash and you don't like it, the outlets being undermounted, tell me. They don't have to be undermounted, but we traditionally like to do it. But hey, if you don't like it, we can talk about it. The under cabinet lights, call it $400. Here is that floor plan. So it is a bit of an end loader. So you're really walking in from here. Oh, here's a cleaner one. You're really walking in from this front door. Okay, and then the plan is going to go more front to back. So we are standing here at the island. We've seen the main space. We're about to work our way back to that second half of the home. All right. And again, you got 1,200 square feet on the bottom and roughly 500 square feet up top. All right, enough with the main space. Let's work our way to that back half of the house. Oh my gosh. Bifold barn door. Oh, I've been waiting to show you guys one of these for a long time. Really cool. So if a barn door just doesn't work, but you want the look, there you go. Remember, pocket doors are options. The fancy frosted glass pantry door. Now straight ahead, I have a spare bath. Yes, a half bath, guys. I know that is, I get a lot of questions about those. Some plans have them naturally, like this one. We can always go in and create space, but I want to show you this utility room. So coming off the side, you've got a very good sized utility room, cubby bench. You could work in a sink if you wanted to, outlets for freezers, recessed dryer vent. You have seen and heard me talk about some of the optional shelving that we offer. So some of my newer videos, you will see some examples of some upgraded shelving, not any more of that wire shelving. All right, here's that bath too. One of our optional blue cabinet colors there for mica tops. Included mirror, lights, all that good stuff. Just a good old simple bath too. Okay, and then across from that bath too, before you get to the utility, there is another storage closet. Okay. And then the master bedroom is directly across the hallway there. Wow. Oh, the sconce lights. So I don't know if I've shown you guys those lights before, but you can obviously, you know, some people put them in the living room to the sides of the TV, and then obviously you can do them in your master bedroom on each side of the bed. I just love that. It's as simple as pressing a little switch there on the wall. I'm a big fan of the transom window over the beds. I know a lot of people like it completely dark, but just really brightens up a room. You could do that in all the bedrooms if you'd like. Here's that closet. Oh my goodness, huge. Got your access panel to the water heater, but this is, I mean, I sound like a broken record, but for 1,200 square feet, pretty incredible what you can get accomplished in that kind of square footage. Uh-oh, the modern barn door. I have not shown you guys many of those. We have 3 or 4, maybe even 5 of different barn door options as far as colors and stuff. That is what we call kind of that modern farmhouse look or modern barn door look. I love it personally, but there are different options. Here's that master bath. We're going to see the 60-inch shower today. You do have to add ceramic tile to this 60-inch shower. It does not come with it like the bigger showers do. Got your built-in soap box. That is always going to be optional or extra. I just love that tile color. Nice and light, clean and crisp. Pretty sure I already said it, but the 9-foot ceilings today are really going to open up a house, make it feel very large and grand. As far as upgrade goes, nothing to speak of there. Included cabinet color, included Formica tops. Those are our beautiful included sinks. I love them. And then you've got 2 windows over here in the corner. One is gigantic, and then you've got more of your traditional window there. I love how they ran the shiplap kind of halfway up the wall. I've shown you some videos, people doing that in the main spaces of the dining room to kind of give it, you know, an accent or some detail. And then sandwiched in between the water closet. So you got a true designated water closet. Crown molding and all ran throughout, of course. Sandwiched in between the shower and the water closet is this nice and handy linen cabinet. That's going to be useful for towels and stuff like that. Really solid bath here. You know, tub, shower, linen storage. Checks all the boxes, right? our included 2-panel doors, included hardware. Been showing you guys a lot of the black trim package lately. Just remember that the brushed nickel is included. Let's get upstairs and take a look. They do not have it completely finished, but they have it framed out. So I wanted to take a pit stop real quick. Anytime you have a staircase, we can do like a reading niche. You can do more of a desk area, you know, so just remember that, you know, we can use this space for something, or we could put the water heater up under there and kind of save some floor space elsewhere. Just remember that 9 times out of 10, the upstairs is going to be finished on site. There are some plans like the Middlebury where the upstairs shows up finished, but typically there's that double window dormer there. Typically the upstairs is done on site. They've got some renderings set up, kind of how it could look. Seeing the LP Tech Shield, radiant bearing heat shielding. You can line any roof with that. It's going to keep your attic temperatures dramatically lower. Another dormer on this side. We're looking out the front of the home actually here. Looks like a closet's framed up over there. I'm in a bedroom, probably standing where the bed would be. Could have a little hangout area, office area, what have you. And then as I go across, looks like probably another bath and then probably another bedroom. But you're going to design this. You're going to have control over it. We don't do a ton of finished upstairs, but this could give you some ideas from the future maybe. Who knows? All right, guys. So we walked the Carolina Farmhouse at Future Homes of Ocean Isle. They build over here on the east coast of North Carolina. We handle the central region. One more look at this main space. Thank you guys for everything, all the subscriptions. Please scroll down and subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you found this video helpful in any way, please press like. Comment if you've got suggestions or questions. My email is shields, SHIELDS, at nccustom-modulars with an S.com. Email me as well if you'd like. Thank you guys. Take care.